everyone, Ian here, Mandershed Media. We're back. We're on the road. Today is a big day on the road doing appraisals. And I have to show you this. I think this car is super slick. We have a 1974 Trans Am, 400 engine. Gotta show you the fire chicken. That's it. Light gray, medium gray, dark gray for Brody and John. For everybody else, this is light blue, medium blue, and dark blue colors. Inside joke. If you don't get it, I apologize. But if you get it, I'm glad you got it. So anyway, yeah, we're here on site doing an appraisal, and I love the colors. I'm going to show you the interior. I think that's the coolest part. All the color combinations. So yeah, 74. So you have the bumper stops or bumper guards in the front. Single headlight set up here. I already have this open. The owner opened it for me. So power steering, power brakes, non-air conditioned car. All originals. Got EGR valve. It's just as it is. We have the overflow tank and washer fluid. But I just think, and it's again, it's a work in progress. There's a seal that goes around the shaker yet and such, but I'm not sure when I'll see this car again. So I thought I'd quickly get a video in. So let me show you the interior because I just love the interior, and then we'll do a walk around on the outside. Look at that. White interior, light blue. Yeah, I don't know. It just appeals to me. I love it. And 4-speed. I don't care what kind of engine you got. Put a 4-speed behind it. It usually gets a little bit more fun. So this one's got the tack. Yeah, again, no air conditioning. Rear defrost. We have the switch over there. Rear defrost. Zoom in on that. There's rear defrost, cigarette lighter, AM, radio. But I love the colors. Power window car, not power locks, power windows. Yeah, I think that's super slick. I love the colors. New sill plates. Like, they've spent some time on this car. So it was his dad's originally. They've had it for quite a few years, and now they've restored it, and it's still, again, just on the last finishing touches here, very, very close to being done. And yeah, we're just gonna sit back and enjoy it. Chrome tips are going on it yet. The two, as Trans Ams are, they have the two that point downward. Classic Industries supplied the decals. Yeah, I think it looks so good. Something about the fire chicken decal. I mean, that's a big hood. If you've never seen one in person, I'm telling you, it's a big hood. But yeah, super cool. All right, so as always, thanks for watching. Always appreciate comments and positive feedback. If you got negative feedback, I'll take that as well. It's a learning process here. It's a growth journey here on my learning here. Yeah, something about the fire chicken. All right, take care. Bye for now. See you down the road.